Hello everyone, in this video we are going to go through JavaScript variables, and for this video I'm going to use Visual Studio Code as my code editor. And if you need to learn more about VS Code, you can watch my VS based videos and find the links in the description below. Moreover, we have got this index.html, and if you need to learn more about HTML, you can watch my HTML based videos and find the links in the description below. And let me show you what we have in this document. Here we have index.html. Let me keep both of them side by side. Alright. Now, variables are containers for sorting data, and there are three ways to declare a JavaScript variable. And let me show you with a var keyword, or we can use let, or we can also use const. Now, most of the developers prefer const because this keyword contains constant value of the variable that you specify or declare. Say if you intentionally do not want to change the value of your variable, always use const. Otherwise you can go for let, and var is old days school guy. Now let's come back to our index.html, and I'm gonna add in here script tag, and within the script tag I'm gonna declare a variable with const keyword, and I'm gonna type in here x equals 5, and I'm gonna specify another variable with y equals 5, another variable const z equals x plus y, and I'm gonna display the results in our console. Let's type in here console.log, and I'm gonna display here the value of our z. Now let's come in here and open our devtools and click on this console tab and hit save here, and it shows us 10. Now to add a hotkey for console log, just type in here Ctrl+Shift+P to open keyboard shortcuts, JSON, Ctrl+Shift+P, keyboard shortcuts, JSON, and here just copy or paste this line of code, and I'm gonna paste it in the description. You can copy this line of code and let me word wrap. Now hit save and come back to your index.html, and now if you type in here Ctrl+Shift+L, it gives you a console.log. And let's make some more changes here. Let's remove this code from here and see if it works. Let's save, come back here, and I'm gonna type in here yes. That looks perfect now, and I'm gonna keep it as it is. Now let's get back to the business. Now I'm gonna console log our z variable, hit save, and we get here 10. In JavaScript, the equal sign that we have here is an assignment operator, not an equal to operator. Whereas in JavaScript, the equals to operator is written like this, double equals. Now JavaScript can hold numbers like 100 and text values like, if I say x equals Brad, and I'm gonna say y equals bit, and within quotes, and in programming, text values like we have Brad and this pit are called strings. JavaScript can handle many types of data, but for now just think of numbers and strings. You can also declare many variables in just one statement. Let me delete this from here, and let's tag this up and say type in here comma, and let's take this here and comma. Let's save, and let's add a space here, hit save. Just for demonstration, I'm showing you this thing this way, otherwise we'll discuss all of these concatenations in a little bit. Now if I just type in here z and hit save, we get uncaught syntax missing initializer in const declaration. And if I take this to the new line, hit save, we still get some error that is not defined. Now you can concatenate strings, and because in JavaScript plus has some other meaning, and concatenation happens, for example, if you want to concatenate Brad pit, or let me delete this line of code from here. I'm gonna type in here console log quotes, say Brad, and I'm gonna concatenate its I'm gonna type in here bit. Hit save, and we get this error because I did not add in here plus sign. Hit save, and this way you can concatenate strings. Now if we concatenate 5 plus 2 plus say 3, hit save, we get 7 to 3 because this is considered as string. And that ends the video here. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.